Hello, Steve. I wanted to show you how I was able to get the zip drive working with the NeXT and the external SCSI CD-ROM. So I found this little diagram. Ooh, I could use the new iPhone feature, see? It focuses on this, and then you remove it, and then it focuses on that. Woohoo! Okay, so what I did is I have an adapter I'm sending you, and then this is a scsi2 cable. The scsi2 cable plugs into the top on your SCSI CD, and then you've got the little terminator. I'll leave the terminator in place. And then the zip drive, where it says zip, goes from here and then plugs into the NeXT computer. So by doing that, and setting the SCSI ID of the zip to 5, and I've hard-coded this one to 6, I figured that would be easier. Then you'll know it's always at 6. That seems to be where it's happy. We're able to get both the zip drive and the SCSI CD working. And I can show you that it is over here on this little NeXT Turbo Color I'm sitting into Henry. So that's Peanuts 2 CD, and down here you see the SCSI zip. So pretty cool. And then to eject, you just go up to disk in the menu here, click eject, and it should eject the zip disk. And it does. And then we're going to go to the Peanuts CD, highlight that, and click eject. And then I'll wheel around here, and you'll see that both the zip drive and SCSI CD were ejected, so it works. That's great. And I'm going to go ahead and log out and power off and ship you the cables, adapters, and everything on your order, the external CD. So pretty cool. I've never hooked it up that way before, but it seems to work pretty good. And that's using the scsi2sd as well. And on the scsi2sd, I have it configured for drives 1, 2, 3, and 4. So having the zip drive at 5 and the external SCSI CD at 6, it works. Okay, have a good day.